Marlie, what are you doing?
I don't.
What is it?
I don't. I don't.
Huh? You want him to come down? Say, look at what my bird feeder got, everybody. Little more than a bird. Whew, smells like Marlie's poop catcher got something. Marlie, did you forget to tell me you had to go to the bathroom? Huh? Marlie, look at Daddy. Look at me. Are you ashamed of yourself? You shouldn't be. It happens to the best of us. Tell him. Say, don't bark at the squirrel, you'll scare him away.
Yes.
Say, no, Homer. What does Homer do?
No.
Can you sing like Homer? Can you sing like Homer sings? Are you gonna let anybody see your face today? Where's the squirrel? Where's the squirrel? Hey, quit, Homer. Scaring away my squirrel. Can you get the hair out of your face?
No.
Wipe the hair out of your face. Good job. I see eyes. Hi, eyes. Hi, eyes. I see eyes. I see eyes. Marty, do you have poo-poo in your britches?
No.
Well, what's that I smell? They're looking a little heavy, too. Should we go change your DD? Okay, let's go change your DD. You caca in your pants? Did you caca in your pants? Alright. Homer? He doesn't appear to be too afraid. Homer! Homer! Tell him, Marty. Say no more. Alright. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everybody.